Welcome to Beerstories from Beerstory Brewhouse. In this video I'm going to show you how I disinfect my bottles. So this video is only about how to disinfect your bottles. If you want to know how to clean them, look in the description or somewhere up here later. There will be a video on how to do that. So this is only disinfection. So when I drink a beer, I always rinse out all the residue, all the yeast and everything, and then I store it. And when I have to tap my beer, to bottle my beer, I clean it, disinfect it, and then I'm bottling my beer. What I'm using, I've done it several ways, but this is the fastest way, I think. I use Starsan. Starsan is it's a no-rinse product. It has always been a no-rinse product, but in Europe they changed the law, so it's no longer a no-rinse product in Europe. But they haven't changed the product, and then the rest of the world is still a no-rinse product. So I don't rinse afterwards. If you are a brewery, you have to do it by law, but it's the same product. And don't fear the foam. Starsan doesn't affect the flavor or anything in your beer. I always have, right now it's 14 liters, but 20 to 25 liters of mixed Starsan. Just follow the description on the bottle. It lasts at least 3 months in my bucket here, and then I can always take some when I need some. And I actually need it several times a week for my keyser and stuff like that. So that's really a good thing for me. And then I use just a bottle washer, bottle rinser, pressurized. So I put Starsan in. Just give it a couple of squeezes, and then onto my bottle tree, just to drip. And of course this is disinfected too. And then after a couple of minutes I can bottle my beer. Most of the time I clean my beer, then disinfect them, then bottle. But I have about 20 bottles out of my storage that are already clean. So before I can use them, I need to disinfect them. Yeah, that was it. Up here somewhere there'll be a video on how to clean your bottles. Remember to subscribe to the channel and everything like that. And also follow me on Facebook and Instagram and everything. So have a happy brewing out there.